Every morning me step on the tar, shop sign swear with a breeze, cheap car pass. Behave men at little youth a laugh, brother quarrel, sell a band me just walk fast. Alleyways twist, enough drama at the stand. Smell of fried fish, big dirty hand. Me sight a old man, now my reading. Me head full up, but my spirit steady stealing. Cause my blessings not dread the night. Whole heap a bustle, but my heart feel right. Me nah need no preach, I'ma find my light. Sweat for my bro, but my mind feel bright. Every corner is my temple. Every step is my prayer. All of the garrison people, we arise without fear. Every corner is my temple. Every step is my prayer. From a zinc fence to a steeple, my spirit strong out here. Mama selling mango, granny playing domino. Speaker stack, booming bass, rhythm never low. My sister in clock, but all the youth flex slow. This concrete communion, it feed my soul. Bully dog bark, siren slice the song. Still my reason with the brethren, right or wrong. Zip up my hoodie, still my strong. My life loud, but my feeling belong. 1, 2 step with my barefoot crew. No suit and tie, just old school view. All of we chant just passing through. My spirit full up, whole rolling on my shoe. Every corner is my temple. Every step is my prayer. All of the garrison people, we arise without fear. Every corner is my temple. Every step is my prayer. From a zinc fence to a steeple, my spirit strong out here. Them sa came, me say blessings rain. Rat it, me find holy ground pan pain. Lion heart beats in a heavy chain. Still me chanting, chanting again. Every corner is my temple. Every step is my prayer. All of the garrison people, the spirit strong out here.